No horse holding here. We were all in it. Well and truly in it, galloping across 4 miles of open desert. There were hundreds of us, but we were soon spread. Couldn't even see the Turkish trenches through our dust, but they could see us. Machine guns. Artillery, they let us know they could see us. Horses started going down, men screaming, horses screaming. All I could think about was Daisy. Keep her away from the bullets, keep her away from the shrapnel. Suddenly I could see the trenches. Blokes were diving off their horses onto the Turks. Vicious fighting. Chaotic. I knew I should be with them, but I saw what was happening to the horses without riders. Machine gunned, bayoneted, blown to pieces. I couldn't do it.